As you end your day, I invite you to join me in prayer, giving your whole heart to God before you sleep. Let's pray together. Dear Jesus, as this day slowly comes to an end and the noise of the world grows quiet, I come to you just as I am. I sit here in the stillness of this night, feeling tired in my body and carrying many thoughts in my mind. Before I close my eyes to sleep, I want to rest my heart in your presence. Jesus, tonight I choose to pause, breathe, and remember that you are with me. You have walked with me through every moment of this day, and now I place this night into your loving hands. Lord, today was not perfect. Some moments were joyful, and some were heavy. There were words I wish I had spoken differently and thoughts that caused worry instead of peace. But even now, as I reflect on everything that happened, I realize you were there through it all. You saw my struggles. You heard my silent prayers, and you understood my heart even when I could not explain it. Jesus, thank you for staying close to me, even when I was distracted or overwhelmed. As I prepare for sleep, I speak honestly to you. My mind feels busy, replaying conversations, responsibilities, and plans for tomorrow. Sometimes it is hard to slow down and let go. But tonight, Jesus, I bring every worry to you. I place my fears, my doubts, and my unanswered questions at your feet. I trust that you are strong enough to carry what I cannot. I remember your promise in Matthew 11:28, where you said, "Come to me, all you who labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest." Lord, tonight I come to you, seeking that rest for my soul. Jesus, calm my thoughts and quiet my heart. Replace every anxious feeling with your peace. Let your presence fill this room and surround me like a gentle blanket of comfort. When the world feels loud and demanding, you remind me that I am not alone. You remind me that my life is safe in your hands. As I lie down, help me release control and trust you completely, knowing that you are watching over me. Lord, I reflect on this day and thank you for the blessings I sometimes overlook. Thank you for the simple gifts, breath in my lungs, food on my table, and a place to rest my head. Thank you for the strength you gave me to get through the day, even when I felt tired. Thank you for the people you placed in my life and the lessons you are teaching me, step by step. Even in challenges, I know you are working for my good. Jesus, I speak to you now like a close friend. You know my heart, my dreams, and the things I hold deep inside. You know the areas where I feel unsure and the places where I need healing. Tonight, I ask you to gently touch those hidden places. Heal my heart where it feels wounded. Bring comfort where there is sadness. Bring clarity where there is confusion, and bring hope where I may feel discouraged. As I prepare to sleep, I choose to trust you with tomorrow. I don't know what the next day will bring, but I know you will be there waiting for me. That knowledge brings peace to my heart. Your word reminds me in Psalm 4:8, "In peace I will lie down and sleep, for you alone, Lord, make me dwell in safety." Jesus, I hold on to this promise tonight. I believe that you are my protector, my guide, and my source of peace. Lord, please bless this night with deep and restful sleep. Let my body relax and my mind find stillness. Remove every restless thought and replace it with calm assurance. Protect my home and everyone sleeping here. Place your angels around us and keep us safe through the night. Let this time of rest restore my strength, so I may wake up refreshed and ready to walk with you again. Jesus, as I close my eyes, help me remember that my worth does not come from what I did today or what I failed to do. My worth comes from your love for me. You see me as your child, deeply loved and cared for. If my mind wanders during the night, gently draw my thoughts back to you. Let your name be the last thing on my lips and the first thought in my heart. May your peace flow through me, calming every part of my being. Teach me to rest not just my body, but my soul, in your presence. Jesus, thank you for listening to this prayer. Thank you for your patience, your grace, and your endless love. I trust you with this night, my sleep, and my life. I rest knowing you are near, and nothing can separate me from your care. I fall asleep now in your peace, covered by your love, and held by your gentle presence.